Let's create another example. 16 JSTL. Open this application folder and create an index file, index.jsp. Now, before using the JSTL tag, first of all use the taglib directive, prefix URI. Now, suppose we created an attribute using the set tag, cset, a singleton tag. The important attributes var and value. Suppose the attribute name is ABC and the value is 789. Now, what if we do not provide the scope? If you won't specify the scope, then the attribute will be saved in the narrowest scope, which is pageScope. To understand this concept, we created a heading tag. Just create a line decoration, and in between the lines we can print this value, cout value, and let's specify the attribute name ABC. You can simply access this attribute. But what if we access this attribute using EL implicit objects? Let's say pageScope.abc. Now we are going to write these lines again and again and again. Let's say request scope, session scope. These are all EL implicit objects, and we are going to use the attribute from different scopes, but you can access only the attribute which is saved in pageScope. So let's try this example. And because there is only one attribute naming ABC, we didn't specify the scope, so this attribute is already saved in pageScope, and that you will be able to access the pageScope attribute ABC. But in rest of the cases, this will not show anything. You can say that the output will be very gracefully shown here. So index.jsp in line 16 example. Let's run this example. You can see the result. You can only access the pageScope attribute ABC. If you are using JSTL tag cset and you are not specifying the scope attribute, then the attribute will be saved in the pageScope.